In this photo you can see how the mobile phone has been positioned up against the Teltron tube and the display screen, ensuring that the camera and the display screen are actually in parallel with each other as not to have any parallax difficulties. In this photo you can see a close-up of the arrangement. Okay, we want to edit our photo, so I'm just going to right mouse click and go edit. I'm going to zoom out, select tool, and only the area that we're going to process in Tracker. The rest is information we don't need. I'm going to go crop, file, save as, and I'll just put cropped. Now it is ready for processing in Tracker. Now we're going to process our image in Tracker. So we've opened up Tracker. When you're processing photos, make sure you give yourself a little bit of extra memory. Click the picture, drag it in. Okay, and we maximize it to increase our working area. So what we're going to be doing is taking measurements. So I'm just going to create a calibration stick. So holding down the shift key, again if you forget you've got little reminders up here. Click there and click there. Now I'm always going to zoom in, so that's positioned well. Move it around, zoom it in, that's fine. And I'm going to change that to 8 centimeters, so 0.08 meters. So now everything that I measure on there is going to be correct. I can then add a tape measure, and you can actually see it there. Again, if you don't see it well against your backgrounds, just change the color. In this situation with dark ones, yellow really stands out. And I can actually do a measurement there and a measurement there. Again, always use the mouse wheel for zooming. You can use the trackpad. Now one little bit of problem we have here is we're not sure where the exact point is, so I like to create another tape measure which goes across, so then I can actually position correctly where that point is, and then I can just delete that tape measure and I know it's exactly there. Likewise, I can create another tape measure and I can actually measure the width of the electron beam, something that you wouldn't be normally able to do. So if you're looking at spread of electron velocities or some errors, you can actually get a measurement there which is just over a little bit. Again, you can see there's a limitation because you don't know where the boundaries are exactly, which you would then talk about random and systematic errors in your report. As you can see in this image, we do have electron deflection, which is parabolic because of the uniform electric field always going along in the vertical plane. If I was then to apply a magnetic field using Helmholtz coils, I would want to use the circle tool. Now I'm just going to demonstrate it. I didn't actually record an image for that one. So all you do here is create a circle fitter. You have a reminder up here. So I'm just going to apply this to my parabolic path, which is a little bit counterintuitive. However, you'll see that it is now plotted a circular path. If I zoom out, you can see it there. I can actually adjust it to fit my curve if I did have a magnetic field being applied. If I wish to read off the radius, you can see it's actually here.